Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nikesha, and in today's video we are going to be doing the teaser of Arvind Greenfields, which is an upcoming plotted development located at Ajwa Road, Vadodara, Gujarat, and developed by Arvind Smart Spaces. In today's video we are going to be covering the project overview, location, amenities, plot sizes, booking process, launch offers and many more. But before I tell you about this project, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview. This project will be developed on 100-acre of land parcel in which you will be offered 700 residential plots. Now, let me tell you where this project is located at and the connectivity its locations offer. This project is located at Ajwa Road, Vadodara, Gujarat. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है नीलकंठ रिजॉर्ट विच इज़ जस्ट 280 मीटर्स अवे एंड निमिता गार्डन्स विच इज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2.7 किलोमीटर्स अवे. अब अगर मैं आपको इसके एमेनिटीज़ के बारे में बताऊँ, some of the very top notch and key amenities of this project are that it offers Vadodara's first golf course which is included within the community. It has a lot of temples in the project. There is a kids play area and a modern and classy clubhouse. You also get 45% of open spaces for a more spacious and green environment. And there are many more life amenities. Now, discussing about the plot sizes. In this project, there are 700 residential plots in which you will be getting plot sizes starting from 1500 square feet, making it very suitable for investors. Now, let us discuss the booking process. The project EOI window is now open. The client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details with the help of project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the EOI process. The token amount for this project is 50,000. So everyone, this was the teaser of Arvind Greenfields, which is an upcoming plotted development located at Ajwa Road, Vadodara, Gujarat, and is developed by Arvind Smart Spaces. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.